Today I explain foundation of modern machine learning. Welcome to our exploration of machine learning. In this presentation, we will unveil the foundation of transformative technology. What is machine learning? Empowering machines to learn data-driven insights. The concepts of machine learning algorithms, mathematical formulas and procedures that guide learning and decision-making processes. Setting data models. Mobile learning, level data, image classification, spam detection, and predicting customer churn. Learning on level data, pattern recognition, applications, customer segmentation, anomaly prediction, and recommendation systems. Reinforcement learning, trial and error, policy optimization, real-world applications. Applications of machine learning, healthcare, finance, e-commerce, manufacturing. Future trends in machine learning, explainable learning, federated learning, quantum machine learning, edge computing. Thank you.